I'm going to show you how to make this origami turtle. And this model is almost hard. It's in the medium, but it's almost hard. And it's about half the size of your paper. So if you have a small one, you can use that or a medium. If you make it big though, if you use a big piece of paper, it's going to be pretty big. So it just depends how big you want it. The first step is to fold this edge to that edge and crease it all the way. Next, you're going to bring that over, but you're only going to crease it right there. Now you're going to bring this edge to that little crease you made. And then you're going to bring both of those edges to the center, just like that. Good. Okay, now we're going to bring this edge and bring it over like that. And same over here, bring that edge over. Okay, now we're going to grab this under flap and pull it up, just like that, and do the same on the other side, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to fold this edge to the center, and do the same over here, fold that edge to the center. Now we're going to bring this flap up. And this is going to be your turtle's front legs. Now we're going to bring this edge to the center. And bring this edge to the center. Open it up. And tuck in using the fold that you made in the previous step. Do the same on the other side. Like that. Good. Now, to create the turtle's legs, you're going to take this, fold it out just like that, and squash that triangle down. Now, you're going to do the same over here. Open it up, fold it over, and squash it down. Now you're going to fold in that, just like that. And to create the turtle's head, you're going to bring that triangle down and back up, just like that. Your turtle is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.